guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to draw your brows with two key products. So if you don't have a brow pencil, you can always get a brow powder, and they are from the products that I'll be using are from the Focallure Focallure products, beauty brand, Focallure Nigeria. So so this is the brow powder, and this is the Auto brows pen. So this is quite unique because it has three things. It has a spoolie, it has a brush, and then it also has like a brow pencil. So when I saw Auto brow pen, I was a bit skeptical because the brow pen, the last one that I had, was triangular in shape. So I was trying to figure out how you're going to use a triangular shaped, you know, the product itself was triangularly shaped. So I was trying to, and it was a bit difficult because it keeps giving you large strokes. But fortunately, this is a flat. So as I said, it has a spoolie, it has, the other side has the brow pencil, the brow product, which is actually flat. Can you see? It's just a line. So this is perfect. Do you get? So I can't basically complain about this. And then finally, it has a brush. So inside, if you look at it very well, it has a brown like the pencil, but like inside. I hope you guys can see this. So basically what you just do is you take this and use it to fill in your brows. I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So that's with the Auto brow pen. So it's really good, and the packaging is just beautiful. Like, I actually thought it was an eyeshadow palette, but then the brows written on it gave it away. So this is in the shade 02 called Rufus. So this is the shade 02 Rufus, and then the brow powder is also in 02. It came in a cute, I don't know if you guys have seen the Zaron brow powder. Yeah, that's kind of packaging, but I'm still trying to figure out what there's a white inside. So it has its own brow applicator and this. So you use this to fill in, and then you use this to draw a line. I've never used the brow powder before. I have never. So I'm quite excited to show you guys what this does. So I don't know what this white stuff is for. I don't know, and it's not written there. So I wish they had written it, but let me read it just to make sure I didn't miss out anything. The smudge proof 3-tier brow powder, blah blah blah. But if I find out before I post this video, I'm going to leave it in the comment section. So yeah, that's basically it. So it has like a very dark black-ish color, and then it has like a dark blackish color, and then it has a dark brown, and then this white stuff. It's like creamy. I don't know if it's a lip balm or I don't know. And then it comes with the mirror, so you can actually see yourself drawing your brows. Oh, so my face has been, this is from the previous makeup that I did. So of course I'm going to use the spoolie part to brush my brows, and then I'm just going to unscrew this a little and start drawing. Oh, I forgot to brush, because while I was opening this, the other one flew and I've been looking for it, I can't find it. So I'm going to use one of the brushes from the brush set, and this is the angled eyeliner brush. So this is my first time using powder, so pardon me if I'm not perfect. Figured out what this stuff is. Well, I don't know if it's what it's supposed to be used for, but I did use it for that purpose. So what I did was that I mixed a little of this with the color that I wanted to use, and it kind of gives you this gel-like brow application, and so it makes it faster. So you can see that I mixed a little bit of it. So this is what it looks like when you mix it with it. And that's basically it with this eyebrow tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining. If you liked this eyebrow tutorial, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you use to draw your brows: auto brow pencil or brow powder, and do you draw your brows with the Focallure auto brow pencil, not just any brow pencil? So this for me is 5/5, like 10/5 if possible, and this I would have said 6/5, but because I now figured out what this white stuff is for, it makes your whole application so much easier. So this is going to have 10/10 as well. So this is 20/10 and this is 10/10. Bye guys.